Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Operating Systems BTU Question Paper July 2023 Solution. Question number 7b. Consider the page reference string. They have given a set of string for a memory with 3 frames. Determine the number of page fault using Optimal and LRU Page Replacement Algorithm. Which algorithm is most efficient? This is a 10-mark question. So first we will discuss LRU Replacement Algorithm. So this is the given reference string. So for implementing the page replacement algorithm, you should know two main concepts. One is page fault and another one is page hit. So what I mean by page fault in the sense, whenever you are referring any string, that string should be available within the main memory. Then only directly process can able to access. Suppose if you are referring a string and that string is not available in main memory in the sense, that is called page fault. If it is available in main memory in the sense, that is called page hit. So whenever page fault occurs, you need to replace one of the page from the main memory. That is, you have to move one page from main memory to secondary memory, and the required page you have to swap in from the secondary memory to the main memory. This process you need to implement whenever page fault occurs. This is called page replacement. And this page replacement we can able to implement with the help of three algorithms. One is FIFO page replacement algorithm, and another one is LRU page replacement algorithm and optimal page replacement algorithm. FIFO in the sense first in first out, which page enters into the main memory first, that will be replaced first. And LRU in the sense which page is not recently used, that page will be selected as a victim page to replace. And optimal in the sense you have to refer the future string, and in the future string which page is not recently used, that page you have to select as a victim page to replace. Now in this session we will discuss LRU replacement algorithm. And here the page reference string they have given as 70120303201201701. So this is the given reference string, and here in our question they have given 3 frames. So this will be considered as frame number 1, this is frame number 2, and this one is frame number 3. Okay. So initially the reference string is 7. So initially if you are considering whenever process starts its execution, that time nothing will be there in main memory. Regarding to that particular process, nothing will be there in main memory. So initially you have to bring whatever the page it is required from the secondary memory to main memory. Okay, so obviously initially page fault occurs. So how many frames they have given, that many page fault initially for all the algorithms it will happen. Okay, so initially the page reference string is 7, that is not available in main memory. So you have to swap in from secondary memory to main memory, and we are placing in frame number 1. Okay, and this is called page fault. Page fault we will refer by cross, and page hit we will refer by tick mark. Okay, next reference string is 0. 0 is not available in main memory, so you have to swap in from the secondary memory to main memory. So frame number 1 will consist of 7, and reference string 0 you have to place in frame number 2, and this is also a page fault. Next reference string is 1. 1 is not available in main memory. You have to swap in from secondary memory to main memory, and now frame number 3 is free only. You have to swap into frame number 3, and this is also a page fault. Next reference string is 2. So 2 is not available in main memory. Okay. So among these 3 frames, one page you have to select as a victim page, and that should be replaced with 2. Okay. You need to get a space to place this current reference string. Okay, but space is not available here. So obviously you have to move one page from main memory to secondary memory, and this page you have to move from secondary memory to main memory, because initially we are going to execute with this page. Okay, that is the reason. So how we will select the victim page in the sense, see the past string. In the past string, whatever the pages you have recently used, that you should not select as a victim page. Least recently used, that you have to select as a victim page. Okay, meaning is recently used pages may be required to use in future, so that you should not replace the recently used pages. So 1 is recently used, next recently used is 0, So the victim page, the least recently used, if you are considering among these 3 pages, least recently used is 7. So 7 will be selected as a victim page. That will be replaced with the current reference page 2. So 201, this is a page fault. And the next reference string is 0. 0 is available in frame number 2. So this will be considered as a page hit. So no need to swap out or swap in. Page is available. The next reference string is 3. 3 is not available in any of the 3 frames. So you have to select the victim page. So 0 you should not select, 2 you should not select. Least recently used is 1. So 1 you should select as a victim page to replace. So replace 1 with 3. And this is a page fault. Next reference string is 0. 0 is available in frame number 2. So no need to replace any page. This will be considered as a page hit. Next reference string is 4. 4 is not available in any of these 3 frames. So one page you have to select as a victim page. Recently used is 0 and next recently used is 3. So 0 and 3 you should not replace. So the victim page is 2. 2 will be replaced with 4. Okay, 403, and this is a page fault. Next reference string is 2. 2 is not available in any of the 3 frames. So this is a page fault. And recently used is 4. Next recently used is 0. Least recently used is 3. So select victim page as 3, replace with 2. 402, and this is a page fault. Next reference string is 3. 3 is not available in any of these 3 frames. So victim page you have to select. 2 you should not select, 4 you should not select. So obviously 0. So replace 0 with current reference string 3. So 432, this is a page fault. Next reference string is 0. 0 is not available in any of these 3 frames. So you have to select a victim page. So the victim page, you should not select 3 and 2. Obviously 4. So replace 4 with 0. Now the frames will consist of 0, 3 and 2. This is a page fault. Next reference string is 3. 3 is available in frame number 2. So no need to implement page replacement. Current reference string is available in main memory. This is a page hit. 2 is available in frame number 3. So no need to replace anything. So 0, 3, 2. And this is also a page hit. And next reference string is 1. 1 is not available in any of these 3 frames. So select victim page. 2 you should not select, 3 you should not select. So obviously 0 you have to select as a victim page. Replace 0 with 1. So now the frames will consist of 1, 3, 2, and this is a page fault. Next reference string is 2. 2 is available in main memory, frame number 3. So no need to replace any page. It is 1, 3, 2 only. It is a page hit. And the next reference string is 0. 0 is not available in any of these 3 frames. Okay. So you should select the victim page. Victim page should not be 2 and 1. So 2 and 1, if it is not there, then obviously 3 is the victim page. So replace 3 with 0. Now the frames will consist of 1, 0, 2. And this is a page fault. Next reference string is 1. 1 is available in frame number 1. So no need of any replacement. It is 1, 0, 2. This is a page hit. Next reference string is 7. 7 is not available in any of these 3 frames. You should select one page as a victim page to replace. So recently used is 1. Next recently used is 0. So least recently used is 2. 2 will be replaced with 7. So now the frames will consist of 1, 0, 7. And this is a page fault. Next reference string is 0. 0 is available in frame number 2. No need of any page replacement. Now the frames will consist of 1, 0, 7 only. No replacement in this step. So this is a page hit. Next reference string is 1. 1 is available in frame number 1. So no need of any replacement. The frames will consist of as it is 1, 0, 7 only. This will be considered as page hit. Okay. Now all the reference string we have referred. So whenever the reference string is required, you have to move from secondary memory to main memory. Okay. During that execution, if you are moving, that is enough. It should be there. So whenever the page fault occurs, in the sense, you have to move one page from main memory to secondary memory, and in that place you have to replace the current page, current required page. Okay. So this process you have to continue for all the reference strings during process execution. So now the page fault, if you are considering in the sense, how many page faults here? Totally number of reference string here is 20. Okay, so page fault if we are considering here in the sense it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number of page fault is 12. And the page hit if we are considering in the sense the remaining reference string. Okay, if it is page fault is 12 in the sense the remaining it is 8 is page hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next we need to find page fault ratio and page hit ratio. So what do you mean by page fault ratio? How you will find? It is nothing but number of page fault. So how many page faults here? It is 12. Okay. Divided by number of reference string. Page reference string here is 20. Okay. Into 100. So number of page fault is 12 divided by number of reference string is 20 into 100. So the page fault ratio you will get it as 60%. Next you need to find page hit ratio. So page hit ratio how you will find? The same procedure only, instead of number of page fault you have to use number of page hit divided by number of reference string into 100. So number of page hit if you are considering it is nothing but 8 divided by number of reference string is 20 into 100. So you will get it as 40%. So 60% is the page fault ratio and 40% is the page hit ratio. So this is the page fault and page hit ratio using LRU page replacement algorithm for the given reference string. Thank you for watching this video.